Capstone 5, Sea level rise in South Florida. What is the threat? Global mean sea level is rising and is expected to continue to rise past the year 2100 due to ice melting as a result of human-caused climate change. This has increased the number of tidal floods and will continue to do so until drastic actions are taken. Why is that place region vulnerable? Because the majority of South Florida is so close to sea level already, any rises in sea level immediately impact it and causes major flooding problems. What are the forecasts in terms of environmental change? In the last 30 years, sea levels around Florida have risen by as much as 6 inches. Scientists are now forecasting that it will only take as long, 15 years, for the sea to rise the same amount, another 6 inches. What are the forecasted impacts on communities? The impacts on Florida communities are enormous. Flooding ruins homes and cars and causes roads to shut down. Not only that, but the salt water can mix in with the drinking water, ruining water supplies or causing sewage systems to overflow onto the streets. What are the solutions? Florida has spent over $4 billion to deal with this problem, most of it going towards seawalls, pumps, raising roads, developing stormwater plans that deal with flooding, and sewage protection systems. It is an expensive but necessary process that is still only a temporary solution to the long-term problem of rising sea levels due to climate change.